Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got a pretty cool video for you guys. So my 2020 Road Glide actually came with a upgraded radio. So basically that radio is unlike the one I had in my 2018 Street Glide. Old push buttons on the side. This new upgraded unit, it's all touch screen. It also interfaces with the Harley Davidson app, which is super cool, and I'm gonna take you guys through the entire app so you guys can see exactly what parameters and everything on the app if you aren't aware of it or you don't have a 2020 model with the new upgraded radio. So I'm going to show you guys that now. I briefly touched on it in my last video, but I'm going to take you guys through the entire app now. It basically syncs with your motorcycle. You make an account, it syncs with your motorcycle, you put your VIN number, and it's kind of mated with your motorcycle. It takes care of a lot of systems, including the alarm and so forth. So if you can, please guys, give this video a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers, and I'm really trying super hard to get to that point. So give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor, click on the subscribe button and also click the bell on top so you get notified of all upcoming new videos. All right, guys, so let's dive right into this. Hey guys, do me a favor, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click that bell so you get notified of all upcoming new videos. So I'm going to push on my Harley icon right there. So immediately what comes up is a picture of my motorcycle, Road Glide, 2020. It's big green check mark, armed, meaning the security system is armed. I have two pictures, or actually, yeah, I think they're similar. But anyway, I have the picture of the motorcycle in there. Harley Davidson Connect. App was updated March 12th, 2020. So scroll along here, scrolling upwards. Bike status, pre-ride checklist. So it's just basically complete this quick routine before blah, blah, blah. Just so you know what basically to check on the bike, but I don't go through this every time. I just make sure there's air in the tires and we go. But anyway, that's a pre-ride checklist. If somebody maybe just purchased their first bike and doesn't really know what to look for, I guess that's good. So anyway, scrolling further up, odometer, 1,189 miles. Fuel range, 93 miles left of fuel inside the tank. If I'm somewhere, just say, and I don't know the area and I'm running pretty low, find gas station. So it just immediately pulls up all the gas stations that are in the surrounding area, which is great. Because if you are somewhere that you're not familiar with, you just click on one of those, basically any one of those gas stations, and just hit take me there, and then hit the bottom button, send to bike. So this app, like I said before, is synced with the motorcycle and with the radio, with the unit and the display. You send this to the bike, your navigation will pop up on your display. So this way you can put the phone away and the head unit will take over from there, which is pretty cool. And a lot of the times, if you guys, obviously you guys know, if you're using navigation, or if you do have the navigation on your bike and you're using it, it is such a pain in the ass to actually type in the address on the head unit. It's pretty slow, sometimes doesn't work, what have you. With this, as I'll show you guys later, you type in the address on the app and then basically it just sends the info to the head unit. It's so much faster and it's so much quicker and better. So then moving on up, battery status, 13 volts, infotainment system, boombox 4.3, connect your radio. I'm already set up to where as soon as my phone and the bike is on, I'm already Bluetooth paired. Scroll further up, bike security, armed, tamper notifications on, stolen bike notifications on, then manage notifications. You could manage all your notifications. You could toggle them on or off. I'm not going to scroll further up because then you'll know where I'm at. But anyway, that's that. So you have all your bike parameters there. Then if you go to, let's wait until this updates. Then if you go and click on the helmet, so right here it's showing my dealer, Bergen County Harley Davidson. They're closed now, 3 miles away. Right here, if you hit the little windy squiggly road with the flag on it, you basically can create a ride or you can record your ride, which is cool. So you can, before you even leave, you could actually create a ride, put some waypoints in, hit save, and then basically the GPS navigation will take you on that ride. Or if, say, your buddy or someone else, whatever, you're on a ride and you want to record it, you can record it if you really enjoyed the ride. So this way you can redo that ride at any point because you recorded it. So it'll take you basically the same exact way that you went. So I think that's pretty wild. Oh, let me go back. So right here, up here, where to, if I click on where to, type in any address, just say Carriage House, Highland Park. That's where we were. That's basically Route 97 up over there by the Hawk's Nest. And again, you just type in any address where it says where to, send to bike. It sends it to the bike. You can put your phone away. Super easy. Then when I click on this trophy cup over here, it takes you through any active events. I joined the March Let's Roll challenge. I guess you get points. I don't know what, if you win anything or something like that. I'm not sure. But if you click on that, you can see like who's in top order here. Chris, Lionel, Tony with their points. Get out of here. If I go to upcoming, there's nothing more upcoming this month. If I go to past, you can see all the past challenges that you could have entered. And basically it's a challenge of, you just ride, who rides the most, and every Harley Davidson dealer you can stop at, you get points, or any meetings or any events you stop at. And over here last, these 3 little dots at the end, basic Harley stuff, motorcycle, schedule a test ride, find a dealer, learn to ride, events, rent a bike, museum, online store, blah, blah, blah. All right, so I think this is really cool in so many ways, not only because you know when the bike, even the alarm was on over here, and that if you click that bell icon on top over here, for example, I just had the bike ceramic coated. That video will be coming out shortly in a couple days. So as they were doing it, they were moving the bike around, and I kept on getting somebody's tampering with your bike, somebody's tampering with your bike, somebody's tampering. So you get notified immediately if somebody touches your bike. Another cool thing is if somebody even steals the bike, moves it, and you're not even around, you're somewhere else, you're at work, whatever, right there in that map, that blue dot is where I am, or where my phone is. That orange icon is where my motorcycle is. So if somebody takes the bike, steals it, what have you, that orange icon is going to move, and damn hell, you're going to get your bike back, because you're going to hop in that truck and go get it. So that's pretty cool function of it too. And like I said, tamper notifications, it immediately, you park the bike, it immediately says security system's armed. Somebody touches the bike, moves it, immediately you get somebody's tampering with the bike, or you get a stolen bike notification if the bike has been moved. So I do like that feature, especially if you're not home, or if you're away. At least you know what's going on. You could call the police and basically tell them exactly where your motorcycle is. So those are the features on the app. I think it's really cool. Everything syncs with the unit on the motorcycle. All right, guys, so that was the app. It's pretty cool, I think. A lot of information. In another video, I'll take you guys through the exact head unit display. And like I said, the older models were push button. This is all touch screen. There's a lot of information also, temperature and a whole bunch of other stuff that I'll show you guys and go through. But I just wanted to show you guys how that app pairs with the motorcycle and what functions you do get with that app. Hopefully that helps you decide whether or not you want to spend, I think it was an extra $800 or $900 for the upgraded radio. I think it's worth it. And like I said, with being able to type in all of the information, especially for navigation purposes and the security, I think that's worth it alone. Is the radio louder? I don't believe it's louder any better in that sense, but I just think the functionality of the upgraded radio is definitely by far superior. And like I said, everything is touchscreen. So I hope that helped you guys possibly in the future if you are going to have to make that decision. If you wanted the new upgraded unit, just having the app I think is worth it. All right, guys, so do me a favor, give me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, just hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. I got a lot more videos coming up for you guys. I have 4 right here on the computer that I'm editing now. Pretty cool Harley videos. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button, click the bell on top so you get notified of all upcoming new videos. And that's it. Stay tuned. Thanks.